In this video, we will demonstrate how to enable push notifications through the DMSS app for your Ageint camera system. If you open your app and do not immediately see your camera system as shown here, click on the link appearing now to add your system back to your mobile device. All of your notification settings will be found in the multi-channel alarm subscription setting on the app. To get there, click on the three dots located directly to the right of the play button. Select Device Details. Multi-channel alarm subscription allows you to turn on or off push notifications and further configurations. Once you click on multi-channel alarm subscription, you will be able to access the notification settings. To enable them, switch the toggle button from off to on. The white circle should move to the right side. After enabling, only alarms of the subscribed alarm types will be sent. For instance, if your system was installed after January of 2021, your system is more than likely using intrusion alarms for surveillance analytics. If your system was installed prior to January of 2021, your system was more than likely configured using tripwire alarms for surveillance analytics. Please contact the Ageint office if you need any further assistance on this step. Once you select the appropriate event type, for example motion detection, intrusion, or tripwire, select which cameras you want alarm events pushed as a notification. If you desire notifications sent only from time A to time B, you can customize a receiving schedule through period settings. Time on the left indicates start time, and time on the right indicates end time. If after completing all these steps, you notice you are not receiving notifications, there are two common possibilities. Number one, notifications are currently not allowed through your phone settings. To check this, close out the DMSS app. Open your phone settings app. Scroll down until you see DMSS and select. Click on Notifications, and please ensure that notifications are allowed and set for immediate delivery. Also, be sure you approve the delivery method. Second, the event type selected might be incorrect. If you have tripwires enabled, disable and enable intrusion. If you need further assistance, feel free to contact the Ageint office for technical support.